and body style. 1970 Chevrolet Malibu Sport Coupe or two-door hardtop here at Unique, especially in classics, and a very original car. Numbers matching, 350 underneath the hood. Numbers matching, automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic, 350 to be exact. Equipped with power steering, original classic white car with red vinyl interior, still the way it looks to this day. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front chrome bumper, grille, headlight surrounds. As you can see, shows very well up front. It's also going to come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the sale price. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Look at how straight the gap between the hood and that fender is. Both sides. This car, believed to be a 3-owner car, will come with the owner's manual, window sticker, build sheet, protecto plate. All of that's with it. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. You're going to be able to see pictures of the protector plate, the window sticker, the manuals. The original rims are also available. Previous owner like to dress it up a little bit, so it's riding on that chrome 5-spoke wheel, Firehawk radials, and take a look at how straight this vehicle is down the passenger side. Around the wheel wells, the lower rockers. Looks good. Original vinyl interior, according to the previous owner. There is a AM 8-track stereo in there that looks like the original one also. I have not had that working. There's an aftermarket one that works in the glove box, so you're aware of that. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation. And if you want somebody to take a peek at this car, you can't make it yourself, maybe from time restraints or from a distance standpoint, like a third-party inspector to take a peek at it for you, feel free to. We have an open door policy for those folks that want to help you out and compare to how it looks and what you see in the videos and all the still pictures. And again, look at the body gap between the trunk and that rear fender. Very nice fitting car. Again, back to third-party inspectors, not a problem. Have them come check it out. We welcome them. We actually have a lift in the back that they can use if they want to look underneath it for you. And we try to represent these cars as fairly as we can. With all the pictures that we take, the driving video, you're going to be able to see what it's like behind the windshield of this vehicle, taking it down the road. Be able to check out all the still pictures, over 100 pictures of it online, undersides, interior close-ups, and of course the walk-around video. Try to give you a perspective of the car from every angle, tell you a little bit about it. That rear deck. An interior trim code was 787, so red vinyl interior. Mentioned classic white, paint code at 10. You'll be able to see the VIN tag, the cowl tag or data tag. In the still pictures, you're going to see the stamp from the transmission that's matching with the VIN. You're also going to see it off the block of the engine, so you can see that it's numbers matching, engine and tranny. Wipers do work. Horn works. Now that 4888, that's approximately how many miles are on it since the engine was rebuilt. So 5,000 or less on the engine rebuild. Blower fan, I had that working. Look at the top of that dash. This thing had to be stored indoors. I mentioned the stereo in the glove box. Nice install. And check it out. Here's that AM 8-track. Very easily could have been the original one in here. Little aftermarket gauges underneath. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect temp to be up. Amp meter oil pressure. Oh, nice, see that door closed and the sound hid. Listen to this, nothing over the top as far as a cam. Crazy exhaust, just a nice sounding 350, wow. I'm gonna slip up here, let's pop this hood open, check out the engine bay. I think we know how that's gonna look, judging by the rest of this car. Give me a second to get it open. And here it is, it's kind of what I thought. The underside of that hood. There's that numbers matching 350. Again, power steering. Previous owners stayed approximately 5,000 miles on it since it was rebuilt. There's a battery disconnect over here for if you have it in the storage, maybe in between drives. Man, what a beauty. Take your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. 1970 Chevrolet Malibu Sport Coupe, original engine, original tranny. It's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Protecto plate, window sticker, owner's manual, all the goodies. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu. A white on the outside and a red interior. This is an automatic on the column. Good acceleration in this Malibu. I'm getting a little bit of a wobble maybe from a tire. Our wipers are working, our blower motor also works in this car. Water temperature is 170 right now on a triple gauge set under the dash. Amps are showing just above the center of the gauge. Oil pressure at 50. Factory radio does not appear to be hooked up. There is a Clarion in the glove box, which works very good. Fuel gauge is reading full, and the speedometer is working as well. Factory looking vinyl bench seat. Interior appears factory. Very good condition. Even the headliner is in nice condition. Brakes are working well. Corners well, as you'd expect a 1970 Chevelle, the corner. I do enjoy the period correct stickers on the rear side windows of this car. For hooker headers, holly, thrush, nice throwback. Take a look at all the pictures of this 1970 Malibu at uniqueclassiccars.com.